Hi, I'm Bob Radosi. I'm here today to do a demonstration of how to install plush Axilla padding material onto a standard or higher performance figure 9 harness. The figure 9 harness is used primarily with a self-suspending socket, which is the type of socket that I'm currently wearing. The basic material is a polypropylene 1-inch wide webbing. It has a ring, stainless steel ring here that allows for articulation of the Axilla loop. We incorporate a rapid adjust buckle that allows for quick and easy adjustment of the control strap. So this clamps on and off. It uses a 4-bar buckle. This is all stitched construction like is traditional in prosthetics. And then finally, this is using a material called plush Axilla padding. Plush Axilla padding is actually a wraparound material that's velcroed and velcros to the top outside of the figure 9 harness. This harness has been used in the past. I'm replacing the padding. This is a Velcro hook material on what is essentially the outside of the strap. So I'm going to begin by taking the Axilla plush material and laying out approximately the amount that I need, measuring off a certain specific margin of it, and then just cutting off that amount of material. Now this material has a smooth Dacron outside, which is against the skin side, and this is a Velcro-compatible material that you see in the black. So I'm going to lay this out like this, and meticulously now I'm going to start to fold this material over. Fold over about 3 or 4 inches at a time and press it down. Now the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the balance of the material, and I'm going to stretch it so that it actually goes over the seam like that. And the reason that happens is that as the material tightens up, it'll align up so you get a nicer, closer seam when you're finished like that. We found it's better to do it a little bit at a time rather than trying to do one entire side and then do another entire side. It actually functions better this way. So I'm doing this again in 3 or 4 inch length increments, and it has less tendency to torque or twist the strap that way. So we're almost to the end. I'm overlapping it as I apply it, overlapping that seam so that we have a complete system here. As this is laundered, as it moves around, as it gets a little torque and twist to it, it's going to line up and you get a nice clean seam. So now we're going to take this, and essentially this strap is going to come around and reattach, and we're going to create the actual Axilla loop. You use the 4-bar buckle, you do a normal 4-bar buckle weave, and you're going to finish up and create a nice Axilla strap that when it's done is connected back completely to the ring. And using the 4-bar buckle, you can adjust for the size, the diameter or circumference rather of the Axilla loop. So you have a nice completed harness. It's clean looking. It's wash and wearable. You can put it in the washing machine and in the dryer, and you can wear this for months and months at a time. And you do want to wash it because it's a material that does absorb a certain amount of perspiration. And for hygienic purposes, you can just take this entire harness and throw it in with the wash and wear cycle of your laundry.